be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul on my true collective ball. Famous, also famous, number one, desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it.
Welcome back to Gigi's Tall Girl Closet, y'all. I'm gonna try to make this a quick video. I'm going to be doing eyelash video for you guys. I have not been wearing eyelashes long, but I have perfected a way that you can get your lashes done in under 5 minutes and no mess. I know you're like, yeah, right, because everybody struggles to do their eyelashes, and I don't have any on right now. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips and tricks on how to get perfect lashes, no matter the length or anything, no matter if they're dramatic or if they're natural or if they're wispies or if they're demi-wispies. This technique will work with all lashes, period. So if you're interested to see this technique and learn these tips and tricks on applying your lashes, I say for beginners because it's a really simple and easy way that beginners can just pick it up. But you pros out there, hey, come on, we all, you know, we here together. So you can watch too now. Just because y'all pro don't mean y'all can't watch my video and learn something. We can all learn and grow. So if you are interested to see, keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, you want to make sure you have everything that you're going to need, because you don't want to go, oh Lord, where's my curler? Or oh Lord, where's my mascara? So I have the lashes that I am going to be applying. They are the Ardell Wispies. That's what those look like. Okay, and I am going to be using my curler. I have the Mad Lash mascara. This came in one of my Ipsy packs. I usually use what is it, Maybelline Sensational Mascara, Lash Sensational Mascara, but I'm all out. So I'm actually waiting for that to come in. I ordered it off of eBay. I try not to go out if I don't have to during this corona, y'all. That's the best way to stay safe in my eyes. Alright, so what else? And the glue. Okay, and I use the Super Stronghold Eye Envy glue in clear. That's what that looks like. And it's in the color clear. Okay, so now that I have everything, okay, you guys, this is going to be super, super easy. I got my light here. Okay, I'm going to bring you guys up close and personal here. Okay, now as you can see, I don't have on any lashes. I did my eyes, but I don't have on any lashes. So first thing I'm going to do is curl my lashes. Oops. Okay, so here we go. Let's curl these suckers. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, or you probably can't see because I don't have any lashes, y'all. So I curled my lashes. Now I'm going to be applying some mascara. Okay, now I'm gonna put some on my lower lash line. I mean, my lower lashes. My lower lash line. My lower lashes. I really like this mascara. It's almost all gone, but oh well. Okay, now I'm gonna let that dry a minute. While they're drying, I'm gonna open my lashes. Now, like I said, these are the no, these aren't demi wispies. These are just the wispies. They're not the demi wispies. These are the wispy lashes. They're from Ardell, and they are in the style 600 black. Okay, now, got my tweezers. I'm just gonna peel these off. Okay, got my first lash here. Can you see that? Got my first lash. Okay. Now I'm gonna get the glue. I'm gonna remove the glue from the band. Okay. Okay, I got it the way I want it. Now, here's the trick, you guys. I thought I said that already, but maybe I didn't. I don't know. Now, instead of putting the glue on the lash and fussing and fighting to get it perfectly on your eye, all you have to do, take your glue and just make a small line above your lash line, and when it dries, it'll be clear. Make sure you go all the way across. Okay, you let that get tacky. You see that? You let it get tacky. Now once it's tacky, you're gonna take your lash. You're gonna put it in the middle of your eye. That's my first one on. And the trick to these are, once you put the glue on, you can move them around where you need them to go. And just there. See? Now I have sexy doe eyes. Alright, I'm gonna put on the other one. But first I'm gonna take off the lash off the band. Okay, this isn't coming off. And I don't wanna damage it. These are very, very fragile. Okay, this one doesn't want to come off. Okay, so I have my second lashes, my second lash here. Okay, so I'm gonna take my glue and do the same thing I did on my left eye on my right eye. Or on my right eye on my left eye. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then you let that get tacky. See? Get your little, let it get tacky. Now why it's getting tacky, you guys? This is Zendaya. I cut her. She was really long, so I cut her. And I mean, it is what it is. I'll put her up in a half do. See, I put her up in a half do and put down some baby hairs all the way around. What do you guys think of how she looks now? Let's see, is it clear yet? Nope, still a little white. But it should be tacky enough. So now, let's get close and personal. Oops! That's a little too close and personal, y'all. All right, got the lash. Okay. See how easy that was? And you don't have to necessarily like keep moving it around. You know, you don't have to like take it off and put it back on, take it off and then put it back on. Once the glue gets tacky and you put the lash on, you're good to go. Wow. Now what I do once I get the lash on my line, I just squeeze them together. So I can blend those lashes with the false lashes, my lashes with the false lashes. And then I'm just gonna add a coat of mascara. Now the wind can blow. You could be in a storm and because you're putting the glue on your skin instead of on the lash, it just works better that way. So there. All right, you guys, get up close. You can see them. I definitely got them on. All right, so what do you guys think? Isn't that like a really cool and quick way to put your lashes on? And it doesn't even like matter. It doesn't matter like what kind of lashes you use. You can use any kind, and this technique will work. But make sure you curl your lashes first and apply mascara, because you want your lashes to blend in with the false lashes. And if you have, I don't know, dark brown lashes and your lashes that you just bought are black, it's not gonna look right. So you want to just coat your lashes with black, very black or very dark mascara, and then put your lashes on. And yeah, I have lashes now. I have no lashes, you guys. So when I look in the mirror at myself with lashes on, I'm like, wow, I'm kind of impressed a little. But anyway, I'm gonna get out here. You guys, let me know if you like Zendaya cut short like this. And if you didn't see my video, I'm gonna post her somewhere, or I might just put her down below so you guys can click on and see my install of Zendaya and what I think of her. I did decide to keep her on because she's glued on, and like I said, she ain't going nowhere, y'all. So I'm gonna keep her on as long as the glue stays on. Then when the glue starts to wear off, I'll do another wig review for you guys, okay? So that's gonna end this. I wanna thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another one.